What's going on, y'all? Hope you're having a great day, morning, or evening. It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. Use this simple support resistance strategy to predict the direction price is going every day. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also live stream and live trade every day, 11 session 3 m EST on this very same channel. So as you can see here, we're looking at GBP/JPY, and you see we took 3 positions here. This was also a trade we called. Not only we broke this down during the London session live that day, but we also broke this down and entered this in the New York price watch list, as well as with the members in the advanced play signal room. You can see right here our entry, SL, you can see the TPs, all that good stuff. So now we're going to break down how I was able to make this trade and catch pips and greater amount of pips every single time we re-enter this, right? And why we always continue to go for buys and not sells. So you see the first time we took this position, we hit TP2. But again, we look prior to here, we had very low volume. Price rejected. And look right here, when it hit our stop loss, it trickled right back to our level. And then later on, the next day, again, price broke above, held it at support, and then slowly made its way up to our next key price level. So this is why I always talk about going with the flow of price. Even when there's low volume, don't try to go for reversal. Don't try to counter trend trade. Always go with the flow of price. Because what would have happened if you would have went for a sell here just because price rejected? You would have took an unnecessary loss. You see what I'm saying? So then we made a nice 1 to 2 risk reward ratio right here. Then again, price failed to break this level, retraced, same exact price point, and did the same exact move, but then ended up doing the full move we was looking for. Look at that huge explosion to the upside. And this right here was a huge 1 to 4 risk reward ratio. So that means for every risk, we made 4 times that amount. So we risked $100, we made $400. We risked $1,000, we made $4,000 off this one trade alone. So now we're about to break down why we went for buys and how we knew the price was in an uptrend and going to continue to push up throughout the week. We also have a free signal, free Telegram. As you can see right here, this is how we did last month for May. We went 16-4, giving us an 80% win rate, cost 69,396 pips. You can see this by going to June 3rd. You can also see some student results and testimonial, and over 1,000 receipts of screenshots of student results, testimonials, screenshots of actual position of trades I took, screenshots of signals I called, all that good stuff. So make sure to hit that first link in the description and check all that stuff out. Now, that's how we did last month. Now, how we did quarter 1 to start the year off, we went 53-4, giving us a 93% win rate. January, we went 20-0, catching 37,620 pips. February, we went 17-1, catching 24,403 pips. Then March, we went 16-3, catching 49,783 pips, catching a total of 111,806 pips. You can see this by scrolling to April 4th. You click right here. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the year. Now, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So again, if you check out the free signal, free Telegram, or you watch the lives from last week, or if you're watching this video past this, if you just go to the live from Monday, June 17th, or if you watch the Sunday chart analysis from the 16th in the free Telegram, you'll see that I did this analysis and broke things down. So right here, you see we had a nice uptrend, nice bullish momentum. But then we see price, similar to what we saw in the smaller time frame, failed to break this resistance level, reversed, but then the bullish momentum came back into play, but then it struggled to break this level again. So if price would have started to make lower lows, we would have saw bearish momentum come in and the downtrend commence. But since we didn't see a lower low get made here, that showed that price still has some bullish momentum and that we should look for buys and the uptrend is still valid. All we need now is just to break this resistance level so we can make that new higher high. Now, if you don't understand how to identify the trend or reversals, make sure to pause this video and check out the one that just popped up on your screen. It's very, very, very important to understand this. And then those that have a course, make sure to go to the one that's titled that. Again, you need to understand how this works, because the more you understand the market's behavior and the rules to the markets, the easier it's going to be to go for the right position, but also to understand what's taking place and going on in real time. So now that we know we're looking for buys, all we have to do is mark off our key price levels and then wait for our confirmations. So now we have our key price levels marked up. As we can see right here, this is the resistance level we was talking about. And we see that after Monday, Tuesday, price not only held this level as support, but came right back to this level and closed right here. So again, after prices tried time and time again, I think it's bound to at some point continue to push up. And again, like we just talked about, we have no signs of downtrend or bearish momentum. So if we're going to go for a setup, it makes the most sense to go for a buy. So now all you have to do is wait for price to break this level, hold that support, and then we can go for buys. So again, there was low volume this day, so price didn't really do the full move we was looking for, but we still see price trying, right? We still see price trying. So we came back the next day. And again, if you watch the London session live from the Wednesday the 19th, you will see me not only have this position on here, but breaking it down and going over this position as well. And again, volume starts to kick in a little bit more. You can tell there's more volume in these candlesticks because the size is bigger than these. But again, it wasn't enough to break this next level right here. Right? But again, it wasn't enough to break this next level right here, as we see right here. Again, it kind of got stuck in this consolidation point, hit that level, got stuck in it again. Tried a few more times, but again, failed to break it. So again, if price can't go up, it's got no other choice but to go down. So retrace back to this level the next day, held that support. And as you can see, the volume did in fact kick in with the help of the news, and then boom, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful push to the upside and went to our next level. So now this week, we're going to wait to see if we can hold this level or hold this level as support. But it's that simple, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free Signal Room free Telegram. If you're interested in the Signal Room services, my mentorship program, how to identify these levels, make sure to hit those links in the description. We got the course, we got one-on-one sessions. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal Room, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free Signal Room, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long and they're sent to you the same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.